Hey there! Ever wondered what artificial intelligence, commonly called AI, actually is? Today, we're breaking it down in simple terms so anyone can understand, and I'll even throw in some easy-to-follow box diagrams to explain the concepts. Let's get started. First off, what is AI? Think of it as a computer's ability to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Tasks like understanding language, recognizing patterns, or even making decisions. Here's a simple diagram to explain. Input, data or information like voice, text, or images. Processing. The AI analyzes the input using patterns it has learned. Output. A result like an answer, recommendation, or action. Essentially, AI takes in information, processes it, and gives you a useful output, like when Siri answers your questions or when Netflix suggests what to watch next. Now let's talk about the types of AI. There are two main ones you need to know: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is specialized for specific tasks. For example, ChatGPT for conversations or Tesla's self-driving cars. General AI, on the other hand, is a hypothetical AI that can do anything a human can. We're not there yet, but researchers are working on it. Right now, most of the AI we see in the world is narrow AI, focused and really good at one thing. AI learns through something called machine learning. Here's how it works in 3 simple steps. Data collection. AI is fed tons of data, images, text, or numbers. Training. AI analyzes the data to find patterns and rules. Testing. AI uses what it learned to make predictions or decisions. For example, an AI can learn to recognize cats in photos by analyzing thousands of cat images during training. AI isn't just a futuristic idea, it's everywhere in your daily life. Let me show you a few examples. Voice assistants. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant understand your voice and give helpful answers. Healthcare. AI helps doctors detect diseases earlier through smart diagnostics. Self-driving cars AI analyzes road conditions and controls the vehicle safely. Social media AI curates your feed based on what you like and interact with. Pretty cool, right? AI is quietly making our lives more efficient and fun. So why is AI so important? It's not just about cool gadgets. AI has the potential to solve big problems like climate change, improving education, and even making industries more efficient. Future potential of AI climate models: predict weather and environmental changes. Education, personalized learning for every student. Healthcare, faster drug discovery and better patient care. The possibilities are endless, but it's important to use AI responsibly to ensure it benefits everyone. And there you have it. A simple explanation of artificial intelligence in just 3 minutes. Now, when someone talks about AI, you can confidently join the conversation. Curious about how AI is shaping the future? Subscribe to our channel for more simple tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.